Is your home or office gutted? Gutters have a nasty habit of building up an unsightly amount of junk, from moss to dirt, plants, leaves, even the odd tennis ball. But clogged gutters don't just look bad, they're seriously risky too. Not only causing mold, but overflowing water can wreak havoc on the structure of your home or office. That's where we come in. We're here to clean your gutters before the problem explodes into a massive bill that nobody saw coming. Our talented team uses only the most proven techniques and cutting-edge technology to provide you with a clean slate, keeping your gutters clear of blockages so they can run like well-oiled machines. Quality service and peace of mind is our top priority, and we're proud to offer same-day or next-day services to keep your worries at bay. So call us now and get your gutters back on the right track today.